Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento tutorials. So we are going to learn. So whenever we have to add to cart option, then there would be a pop-up option. So and with the help of we are going to show some of the items that you might be interested. So we are going to create a pop-up with the some of the other items that maybe you are maybe interested in with the help of the slider also. So we are going to implement such kind of thing. So let's begin this tutorial. So first of all, let me log in with my admin panel. Okay, so it's like this one, admin. Okay. Oh, there is a fail to send message in the contact. Okay, I haven't fixed it, so give me a second. Here we have to go with my Rajnikant sorry, app, etc, config.php. Then we have two-factor authentication factor we can search with and make it 0 over here, and save this one. Then we need to flush the cache, or sudo chmod minus sudo php bin magento cache flush, sorry, php bin magento cache flush. Okay, so right now we are going to add the permissions on the same. Done. So let's see, is this error come gone out or not. So it is allowing. Okay, so go to my stores configuration, and we have to go with the pop-up site. So where are the settings? Catalog, add to cart pop-up. So here we have, yes, random products. Okay, so you can select with the bestseller, latest products, all. So I'm going to select the best sellers, autoplay with the product limit 5, 10. We can choose the settings and save this configuration. Go to the cache flush this cache management. Okay, now we can see that with the pub. Here we're going to copy this and check out the bestseller products are there or not. So let's see, go to the bags and let's make the add to the cart. There is a pop-up, you can see that the which one of the bestseller products. So these are the bestseller one. Okay, we can also check in the dashboard also if that is enabled or not, the reporting part. So I think this is not on from the store settings. Okay, and whatever we have the bestseller, it will showing over here, so we can also check it out by placing and most of the orders and with this one. Okay, so this we can do the settings with the help of this bestseller, latest products, and something random products, right? So you can do that. Okay, so how to add such kind of pop-up to your Magento store, let's have a look on that. So we have this card pop-up. Okay, this is my module, this is card pop-up. So first of all, we have go with the etc, and etc we have a config.xml. This is config.xml with default settings we have set. Then we have module.xml with the card pop-up. Okay, then we have acl. If you want to add for this one, you can add the this one sections.xml for the action for get cart, add to cart, and then section name is cart pop-up. Okay, then we have di.xml that we have to override, that is with the this one customer section word wrap section group map. And we have used the type Magento customer data section pull interface, and with the our card pop-up customer data pop-up card data. So in the customer data card pop-up data, so here we are doing the best sellers, we have to do the kit collection, latest products, random products. Okay, that we have shown into the pop-up. So these init collection, so all of this are get section data. Okay, so we have created all this part in pop-up card data. So this way we can get all the data of the best sellers, new products, and all with the help of this one. Then we have pop-up dot PHP where we are showing the crossel. Okay, so here we have whether it is the crossel is how much the limit is. So this is the cart get cart message, so you can also add this message. Okay, you can see that we have a cart URL whenever we try to up here. You can see that we have a view shopping cart, continue shopping cart. So these all are fetched from the block, so we have all the URL get shopping cart URL. So in the, like, you can, so when you try to fetch this one in the block, so we have a templates block, this one. Okay, and here we are going to fetch with all the things. You can see that in the pop-up, you can see that get shopping cart URL, get message, get section icon, and this one. Okay, so this will init that one, merge in it, and this is a template that we have to use. After that we have a helper which we have getting the store configuration. Okay, then we have front end, we have already discussed admin HTML system.xml where we have showing all of the things, like whatever we have in this one configuration, yes, no, on everything. So you can see that we have enabled this pop-up, product display, cross-sell. Okay, then we have a helper, we have done crossel.php, that whether this is the bestseller latest and this. So these are the things, that two option array. So whatever the this is shown in here, so we have to create this one, because you can see that in the system.xml for showing such kind of things in the cross cell. So we have taken out with the Rajnikant card model config source cross cell. So it's basically card pop-up model config source. So it's basically config source, so whatever it has source, you can see that source crossel.php. So we have the options, right? Then we have a product limit also, so these have the limit whether it is 1 2 3 4 10. And after that we have a view front end, which we have a layout which is default XML. So we have just used this card pop-up reference container. Okay, then we have a cross-sell main.css, and we have to use. Then template we have already discussed. Then we have CSS, card pop-up CSS. Then we have images. Then we have a JS which we are trying to render the cart. And you can see that we have to update the products with the messages like close the model, view shopping cart, initializing the things. Okay, then we have a model options, so we have to bind the previous or next button in the all crossel. Okay, then we have to use all crossel main.js file for this one also. Okay, and require.config where we have defining the all crossel.main.js. So we have used this all crossel main.js. Okay, so by doing all of these things, then we are able to show such kind of thing in the Magento front end. Okay, so you can see that arrows are also working properly. So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.